You just got the call. The seller finally said yes, and the home is now officially under contract. Naturally, you want to know when you can start moving your furniture in. But instead of getting the keys today, you're told it will be another 30 days. That month is not just a waiting period. It is a high-stakes preparation phase required to ensure the property can legally become yours. Winning the bid is only the first step of the production. Now, the focus completely shifts to all of the crucial work that has to happen before the final performance. Your title and escrow company handles the coordination required to get the set ready for your closing day. They manage the quiet details that happen entirely out of sight. This work is necessary because real estate is complicated. Looking at the data, nearly 60% of home sales involve hidden legal issues that have to be resolved before the house can change hands. If the escrow team does not catch and clear those defects quietly behind the scenes, you simply cannot have a successful opening night in your new home. This preparation process happens in 4 steps. Step 1 begins by gathering the core components: the signed contract, the lender's requirements, and the basic framework of the deal. Step 2 involves looking back through the property's entire story. The team reviews the historical records to confirm the seller actually has the legal right to hand the home over to you. The search looks for unresolved claims, like an old unpaid bill from a contractor who worked on the house years ago, or a past due tax notice that is still attached to the property's record. Finding these liens early gives the title team time to have the seller pay them off before you ever get to the closing table. By investigating the property's history now, you ensure you don't unknowingly inherit a previous owner's financial mistakes after moving in. Step 3 requires everyone to align on the final details. Both the buyer, the home seller, the real estate agents, and the mortgage lenders all have to agree on the same exact figures. But this is where friction often appears. A lender might change a loan term at the last minute, or there might be an error in the calculation of the seller's mortgage payoff. The escrow officers act as the central hub. They resolve these discrepancies and organize the final documents you'll need to sign. This coordination turns a stack of separate demands into a clear, accurate settlement, where absolutely every dollar is accounted for. Step 4 is when the final papers are signed and the money moves. This is the moment the house officially becomes yours. To make this work, your funds wait in secure escrow, a neutral, protected space where your down payment stays until the final signatures are verified. This protection is vital against a growing threat. 1 in 3 real estate deals faces attempted wire fraud. Secure escrow protocols act as a firewall. Your team confirms details by phone to ensure funds go to the right place. Once the money is safely routed, the team records the deed with the local government. Adding this document to the public record is what makes the transfer of ownership official. With the money moved and the public record updated, both your life savings and your legal status are fully protected. You have completed the journey. The file was opened, the history was checked, the figures were coordinated, and the documents were recorded. As you leave the table, you are protected by title insurance. It stays active for as long as you own the home. If an old ownership claim or a hidden recording error surfaces years down the road, this insurance covers the legal costs and protects you and your lender from financial loss. The scale of this protection is massive. The title industry resolves over $600 billion in potential financial claims for buyers and lenders every single year. All of that careful work behind the scenes ensures that when you finally turn the keys in the lock, your move is safe, clear, and permanently secure.